Hello, welcome to the Cubby House. I'm Aka,
And I'm Aaron.
and today we're going to show you how to use everyday objects into your art. Today we're going to focus on leaves. You can also use rocks, you can use tree branches, you can use shadows, you can use sideways crack, but today we're going to talk about leaves and the way you can use them as part of your drawing. You can use the leaf itself and collage it. You can do frottage, you can paint it, or you can draw it. The choice is yours.
Hi guys, my name is George, and today we're going to be drawing a face on a leaf with Posca markers and a golden Posca pen. You can find these at Urkesley's, a place where my mum works. Anyway, I'm going to do some beautiful orange eyes. You know what, I need to do them a little bigger than that. And I'm going to do a double colored mouth. So I'm going to do the golden piece here because it can't camouflage in here. I mean, see, it does. Can't really see it in there, so I need another Posca pen. Where is that? Oh, a black one. And there you have it. A heart-shaped smiley face. Now leave it to dry, and I'll see you next time. Bye!